Let's solve one more problem on the fourth method. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Z as a new partner and his share is obtained as 1/5 of X share and 1/3 of Y share. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z. So this is fourth method. In this, the new profit sharing ratio of new partner is not given. So he obtains his share 1/5 of 3/5, that is of X, and 1/3 of 2/5 of Y's ratio. So let us solve this problem now. X to Z. So he is giving 1/5 of his share, that is 3/5, equal to 3/25. Y to Z one-third of his share, that is 2/5, equal to 2/15. So Z now X new profit sharing ratio equal to, this whole ratio is 3/5 minus 3/25, his contribution or his sacrifice towards the share of Z's share. So let us see LCM. 5/5 and 25. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja. 25 will be the LCM. So this is 25 only into 1, 5 5. So 15 minus 3/25 equal to 12/25 will be the new profit sharing ratio of X. Y new profit sharing ratio equal to, this whole ratio was 2/5 minus he has given 2/15. So to take out the LCM of this 5 and 15, 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 1 ja, that is 15. So this is 15 only into 1, 5 3 ja, 15. So 6 minus 2/15 equal to 4/15. This is the new profit sharing ratio of Y. So let us see the Z profit sharing ratio equal to the sacrifice ratio of X and Y. So X has sacrificed 3/25 and Y has sacrificed 2/15 towards the share of Z. So let us see here LCM 25 and 15. 5 is the 25, 5 3 is the 15, 5 1 is 5, 3 1 is 1. So 5 5 is 25, 25 into 3 equal to 75. So here 25 into 3 equal to 75, 15 into 5 equal to 75. So 9 plus 10 by 75 equal to 19 by 75 is the new profit sharing ratio of Z. So if you want to verify new profit sharing ratio of X is 12 by 25, Y is 4 by 15 and Z is 19 by 75. 25 to make it 75 into 5 into 3. So 12 3 is 36, 4 5 is 20 and 19. So 36 plus 20 equal to 56. 56 plus 19 equal to 75. Let us solve one more problem based on the fourth method. X and Y are partners. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1:1, that is equally. They limit Z as a new partner he obtains one fifth of X share and 1/4 of Y share as his share of profit. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z. So in this problem also you can read the question properly. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1:1, that is equally. They admit Z as a new partner. He obtains 1/5 of X share and 1/4 of Y share as his share of profit. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z. So here the share of new partner, that is Z, is not given. So he obtains 1/5 of X share and 1/4 of Y share to make his new profit sharing ratio. So let us see the solution of this problem. The solution is X to Z. His old share is half and he is giving how much? 1/5 of his share, that is equal to 1/10. Y to Z. His share is also 1/2 and he is giving 1/4 of his share. So that is equal to 1/8. So X new profit sharing ratio equal to, his old ratio was 1/2 and he has sacrificed 1/10 towards the share of new partner Z. So cross multiply this, or else you can use LCM method as we have used in our previous problem. 10 minus 2/20 equal to 8/20 is new profit sharing ratio of X. Y's new profit sharing ratio equal to 1/2 was his old ratio minus 1/8. So if you cross multiply into 8 into 2, so 8 minus 2/16 equal to 6/16 will be the new profit sharing ratio of Y. Z new profit sharing ratio equal to the ratios sacrificed by both the old partners together. So X has sacrificed 1/10 and Y has sacrificed 1/8. So here cross multiply this into 8 into 10, that is equal to 8 plus 10 equal to 18/80. So if you want to verify X 8/20, Y 6/16 and Z 18/80. So to make it 80, 16 into 5, 20 into 4. So 8 4 the 32 plus 6 4 the 24 plus 18 divided by 80. So this will not come 24, it will come 30. 6 by the 30. So 30. 32 plus 30 plus 18 equal to 80 divided by 80. Let us solve one more problem on fourth method. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:3. They admit Z as a new partner and his share is given by X as 1/5 of his share and Y 1/3 of his share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z. So if you read this question carefully, X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. They admit Z as a new partner and his share is given, by X as 1/5 of his share and Y 1/3 of his share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z. So in this problem also the profit sharing ratio of new partner is not given. So X and Y are contributing part of their profit sharing ratio towards the share of new partner. So now let us calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z under fourth method. Solution. X to Z. So X is giving, his old ratio was 2/5 and he is contributing 1/5 of his share. So 2/25 is given by X to Z, Y to Z. So his old ratio was 3/5 and he is contributing 1/3 of his share towards the share of new partner Z, 3/15. So now X new profit sharing ratio equal to, his old ratio was 2/5 and he has sacrificed 2/25 towards the share of new partner, and Y new profit sharing ratio equal to, his old share was 3/5 and he is sacrificing 3/15. So let us use cross multiplication method here also. Into 25 into 5 into 15 into 5. So 50 minus 10 divided by 125 equal to 40/125 is the new profit sharing ratio of X. 15 3s are 45 minus 3 into 5 equal to 15 divided by 15 5s are 75 equal to 30/75. So Z new profit sharing ratio will be the sacrifice ratio of X plus sacrifice ratio of Y. So sacrifice ratio of X is 2/25 and sacrifice ratio of Y is 3/15. So here once again, if you are going to cross multiply, the problem will become lengthy. So let us see LCM here. 25 and 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. This cannot be divided. 3 1s are 3 1s are. 3 5s are 15. 15 5s are 75 will be the LCM. So 75. 15 5s are 25 3s are. So equal to 6 plus 15 equal to 21/75. 21/75. So if you want to verify 40/125, 30/75 and 21/75. So once again LCM 125, 75 and 75. 25 5s are 25 3s are 25 3s are. 5 1s are 3 3. 3 1s are 1s are 1s are. 25 into 5 125, 125 into 3 375 will be the LCM. So into 3 into 5 into 5 equal to 120 plus 30 into 5 150, 21 into 5 105 divided by 375. So equal to 375 divided by 375. Now this is an assignment for you. You try it at your homes. So I will give you some problems. You identify which method it is and try to solve the problems. So write down this. So I will write 3 to 4 problems and give you time for 5 minutes. You write all the problems and try to solve at your homes. Third. So first, second, now third problem I am going to write. So identify which method it is and then solve the problem.